Hello guys, so in this video we are going to be making Nutella cookies, and we're going to need these three ingredients. So we'll need 100 grams of Nutella, 60 grams of flour, and 2 tablespoons of milk. So once you have it, you would want to mix it into a dough like this. I have some chocolate chips or chocolate curls in case I need any. It's up to you guys if you would like to add any. Now we will roll them up in 2 balls. So take little pieces. You just want to roll it. Until it's something like, after you're done rolling them up, it should look something like this. So now that we're done, we would want to use our thumb or any part of your finger, press in like that. First, you want to start like this, right? So you're putting it in. Yeah. And end like this. So carefully, you'd want to carefully fill in the Nutella in the holes, like one every time. And then you should end up like that. Now you'd want to put it in the microwave for 1 minute 20. 1 minute and 20 seconds. 1 minute 20 seconds. After microwaving, it's gonna look something like this. Yummy. Okay, it's ready now. Wait, I don't know what to say, but yummy. Nutella lover, please try this. It's 11 out of 10. So delicious and easy to make. Enjoy.